surprise you. All right, nice big deep breath. And exhale nice and steady. You're doing great. Keep breathing. There we go. Piercing's done. Just guiding in your jewelry. You did awesome. A little bit of friction here while I guide in your piece. And now I'm just screwing on your top piece. Heart part's over, piercing's done. It is totally gonna make your eyes water, which is why I compare it to a spicy lip line pimple, because those also make my eyes water a whole bunch. And then you just might feel a little bit of pressure here while I make sure your bead is screwed on nice and tight. And I'm gonna relax things into place, a little bit of sliding pressure here. And then I'm just gonna relax your upper lip. Beautiful. I've got a tiny gauze for your tiny tears.
Thank